Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to write case study in law exam, only way. Begin by identifying the legal issue and the controlling rule, then map facts to elements step by step. Organize analysis with clear headings and link facts directly to law. Write concise conclusions that answer the question and state the remedy if needed. Practice timed outlines to build speed and confidence under exam pressure. Start every answer by naming the issue in a direct sentence and then state the black-letter rule that governs it. Break the rule into elements and list what facts prove each element. Note burdens like preponderance or beyond a reasonable doubt when relevant. This keeps analysis focused and shows examiners you know both law and application. Keep sentences short and link facts explicitly to each rule element as you write. Use labeled paragraphs for each rule element and apply facts directly and succinctly to those elements. Compare each party's position and point out weaknesses or missing facts that affect the outcome. Keep analysis balanced and avoid long hypotheticals unless asked. End with a concise holding that answers the exam question and recommends any.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.